Bambu Lab recently sent me out £200 worth of mystery items to unbox. And so that's what we're going to do today, and I'm going to open it in front of you guys. And now I will mention that they sent this out just after they sent me the Bambu Lab A2L printer, so I'm guessing a lot of the stuff in here will be to do with that. Can we also just take a moment to appreciate how minimalist their packaging is and it looks. So first up in the package we have this 25 pack of white matte printable vinyl sticker paper, which if you didn't know, that is something Bambu Lab now do, because the A2L and the H2 series now support sticker cutting with an adapter. Which, if you've ever seen any videos on my channel, you'll know that for some projects I have a Caesar sticker cutter, which is a great piece of kit, but it's so cool now that I can do it all on one Bambu Lab machine. So yeah, these are just the type of stickers that you shove in your inkjet printer and just print on them, and then it'll cut out whatever shape you've printed. Next up in the box we have something quite interesting actually. It's the Maker Series Electric Bubble Maker Kit. So basically you can print out a bubble gun and then install this inside to make it actually fire out the bubbles. Honestly, I'm going to load this up with catnip bubbles and my cat will love it. Next up is something again that looks quite cool, and it's another vinyl sheet, but this one is the carbon fiber effect vinyl sheet. And this I think could be really cool using this on my Formula 1 wings that I like to make. So instead of spray paint, I'll be able to use the carbon fiber vinyl sheets to make a wing look realistic, because they are made out of carbon fiber. Okay, next up on our sticker cutting quest is a new product from them, and it's the PU Effect Leather. This is the brown PU, which I thought was absolutely the best colour that they did. I must say the material is very thin. I've never handled something like this before, so I don't know how thin it's supposed to be. But yeah, the idea is that you can use it to make all kinds of hobbycraft things like they show on their website here. I have not thought of a use for this yet, but I just kind of wanted to have a go with it. So it's cool that I've received some. And again, the pebbled look of the fabric is actually really nice. It's just very thin. Okay, we have two more what look like vinyl stickers again. This one is just a simple black, which I can use for cutting out lettering and things like that. And the last vinyl sticker sheet that they sent is a red. Now there is something very specific that I want to make with all of this stuff, but you'll have to stay tuned and get subscribed to see what it is. Next up is the most essential thing in this box, and that is how we're going to actually deal with all of these stickers and process them on our A2L. Because the A2L doesn't come with the cutting module on its own, you have to get it from Bambu Lab store for, I think it's £60. Which I think is fair. There's actually quite a bit of stuff in this box, and not everybody needs the sticker cutting functionality. Some people just want the 3D printer, which is okay. But I love the fact that this 3D printer can rival my £500 sticker machine. So I'm absolutely going to have a video where I take this out of the package and go a little bit more in depth than this and actually install it into the A2L and show you guys how I'm going to use it for my projects. So it is very cool. But on with the unboxing. Inside this packet then is just the actual cutting module itself, and then inside the rest here you will see we get a plate, which is actually what we're going to attach our stickers to. Different stickers require different stickiness strengths on the plate, so one side is a light tack grip and one is a strong grip. So stay tuned for my video on that and we'll find out together what materials go on which side. Last up in the box we have 4 types of filament, and now none of this is just regular PLA filament. It's all slightly interesting and different. You'll know if you've watched my channel before, I usually just get the cheapest stuff from AliExpress. I've never actually bought any from Bambu Lab before, and so the fact that they've sent this one out is quite an amazing opportunity to try it really. So the first one that we're going to look at here is this PLA silk. Now I'm quite excited to try this one because I love silk colours and I think they come across really well on video, which is how I make most of my shorts, using these interesting colours. And this one is a two-tone blue and purple, so it'll look something like this when it's printed. Next up in our goodie bag of filaments is this PLA marble. I've wanted this one for so long, and it goes in and out of stock quite a lot actually, because I keep looking at it. But I wanted to print a full chess set using this PLA marble because I think the colour looks really cool, and I just think my wife would appreciate that. The second to last thing we have in the box is this new product that I haven't really heard that much about, to be honest, and it's called PLA Pure. And the one we've got is this one here. It's the milky pink colour. So apparently what makes PLA Pure so interesting is the fact that it contains less ingredients and it's food contact certified. So they're claiming that it's safer for your children to play with and also for your pets. I'm sure my cat will let me know what he thinks when he swallows a piece. So the last thing now we have in our £200 haul is something that I'm not going to open because I fear that it will go off, but it is a roll of this, and it is called PVA, and basically it's great for use in supports and tight to reach places where you can't actually get access to remove your supports, All you have to do, it's water soluble, so you basically just have to drop your print into water and the supports will just dissolve away. When you see it on video, it works like actual magic. But anyway, that is my £200 haul of mystery items that Bambu Lab have sent me. If you've enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like, or if you want to see any of the upcoming projects that I do with these things, then please subscribe below. There will also be a link in the description to all of the products shown.